Hello viewers, many users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus for educational purposes such as online classes, video editing, etc. So they are asking me whether this tablet is well for video editing or not. In this video, I will edit 4 footages in 1080p 60 fps. I have taken these shots from Vivo smartphones and I will render these videos in InShot video editing app. You can see that all the footages are in 1080p 60 fps. Tab S9 FE Plus is powered by Exynos 1380 processor. So without wasting any time, let's get jump into the InShot app and select the footages that I want to edit. These are the footages that I want to render into 1080p 60 fps. Then I will click on this OK button. There is some lag while adding the footages into this InShot timeline. Actually, editing needs a better processing, so the more powerful processor is, the better will be the rendering of videos. I will cut these footages into many footages and then I will add some transition effect. In the InShot video editing app, there are many transition effects that you can use without purchasing the Pro version. Some transitions are paid, so you cannot use them without purchasing the Pro version, but that is not needed for all users. After that, I will use some PIP footages over these footages. Suppose I want to take this footage of iPhone 11. Now I will enlarge this footage and also I will cut according to my preference. I will cut here. Whenever you add any PIP video, it will lag and it will take some time to process. I have seen even in iPad that whenever I add any PIP mode or PIP videos, there is some lag and stutter. After this, I will add some text at the beginning of this footage. As I am editing my videos on Tab S9 FE Plus, I will write editing on Tab S9 FE Plus. Also, there are many font styles and font size, and also there are many colors, and you can also add the inward effect and the outward effect to your text. Suppose this text is very large, so I will click here and I will resize the text according to my liking. Then I will add animation to this text like this. Now I will add some voiceover here. Hello viewers, today in this video I will edit some videos on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Hello viewers, today in this video I will edit some videos on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Also, you can add another music if you want. If you have stored anything, you can see here in my music. Now I will render these footages into 1080p 60 fps. The size is about 200 MB for 56-second footages. The rendering took almost 2 minutes for 200 MB rendering, so this is a decent timing. Now you can see the final footage. There is no hiccups, there is no lag, there is no delay in video playback, so everything is running okay. So you can expect casual video editing on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. But this tablet will not be able to edit 4K 60 fps videos. So hope this video has helped you to understand the basic video editing on Tab S9 FE Plus. If you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.